Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 17tcm200. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we are addressing a common issue that some users face: the HP Omen 17tcm200 won't turn on. This can be due to a faulty motherboard, which is a critical component that manages all the functions of your laptop. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further complications, rendering your device completely unusable. Let's get started with the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement motherboard. Ensure you also have a clean workspace and some small containers to keep your screws organized. To begin, make sure your laptop is completely powered off. Disconnect it from any power source and remove the battery if possible. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully open the back panel of the laptop. Take your time with this step, as you don't want to damage the casing. Once opened, locate the motherboard. It is usually situated at the center of the device and is connected to various components such as the CPU, RAM, and power supply. At this point, you may notice some screws securing the motherboard in place. Gently remove these screws, keeping them in a container for safekeeping. Be mindful of the cables connected to the motherboard. You will need to disconnect these carefully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, once the motherboard is free from the screws and cables, you can lift it out gently. Place the new motherboard in the same position, ensuring that all connectors align properly. Reattach the screws, applying firm but gentle pressure. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect all cables in their original positions, making sure they are secure. After everything is in place, replace the back panel of the laptop, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the battery if you removed it and connect your laptop to the power source. Turn it on to check if it powers up correctly. If all goes well, your HP Omen 17tcm200 should be back in action. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your device is kept clean and dust-free, and regularly check for software updates. Avoid overloading the laptop with excessive applications, which can strain the motherboard. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.